Introduction. Computer systems have made life easier. We use computers to perform simple and complex tasks. Computers cannot think on their own. Human beings use programming languages to create software. We have Scratch, Microsoft Arcade, Blockly, etc. for block coding. We are already familiar with the Blockly programming language. In this chapter, we will learn conditional and iterative statements. Decision-making statements. If someone asks you, "Are you hungry?" If your answer is a yes, then you may choose something what the other person is offering. Else it is a no. Similarly, decision-making statements are required to execute a section of code when a specific condition is satisfied. Let us study an example. The following Blockly code is designed using a conditional statement, if do, to check whether a variable has a greater value than 50. Here x is a variable. Its value is set to 55. If the value of the variable x is greater than 50, the condition is true and the text x is greater than 50 is printed. If the value of x is not greater than 50, the condition is false and it prints nothing. If we want that the x is greater than 50 or x is less than 50 should be printed according to the value of x, then we can use if-else blocks as shown. If statement. The if statement is the first condition of the conditional statements. If is followed by the condition the programmer intends to compare or check. The if expression simply compares whether the conditions are true or false. If the condition is true, the statements under the do block will be executed. Else statement. When the if condition returns false, then the else block statements will be executed, since we are comparing x with 50. So let's understand the comparison operator. The block given under logic option is used to compare two values, is equal to, is not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to are the comparison operators. You can choose any of these operators according to the requirements in the code. The result of this operator is true or false based on the result of comparison. For example, 2 is greater than 3 gives false and 6 is greater than 5 gives true.
Let's create a program to check whether a number is less or greater than 50 using if and else statement. Click Variable option under Blocks menu, then click on Create Variable option. A pop-up will appear where you can input any variable name, let's say x. You can see x variable is created. Now choose block set x to and place it on the white area. Go to Math option and choose the number block and fix it with set x to block like this. Go to Logic option and choose the if do block and place it under the set x to block in the white area. Click on star inside the if do block and make if else block like this. And click the star again. Your else block will be placed like this. Go to Logic option again and choose this logic block for comparing two values. Go to Variables option and choose x again and place it like this inside the if block. Choose a value block from the Math option and place it in front of x. Go to Text option and choose Print block and place it in front of do block like this. Repeat this step for else block also. Now as we are going to compare two values, we must change the operator inside the logic block. Let's say greater than operator. Now replace the text written in both the print blocks as per the need of our program. So the first statement would be x greater than 50 and second will be x less than 50. Now we can change the value of x in the first statement. Let it be 56 and this is the main logic. X will be checked with the value 50. Now our program is complete. Let's run the code using this button in the top right corner. Here is your output. X is greater than 50. Now change the value of x to 45 and again run the program. The output would be x is less than 50.
Iterative statements, loops. In computer programming, a loop is used to execute a group of instructions or a block of code multiple times without writing it repeatedly. The block of code is executed based on a certain condition. The structure of a loop can be virtually divided into two parts. 1. The control statement. 2. The body. The control statement of a loop comprises the conditions that have to be met for the execution of the body of the loop. For every iteration of the loop, the conditions in the control statement have to be true. The body of a loop comprises the block of code that is to be executed multiple times. There are 4 types of loops in Blockly. Repeat _times. Repeat while. Count with. For each item. In this chapter, we will study repeat _times loop only. Repeat. The simplest repeat block runs the code in its body the specified number of times. For example, the following block will print hello 10 times. Let's make this code. First, clear your working area. Drag and drop repeat 10 times block from loops option. You can change the value 10 to any number. Drag and drop the print ABC from text option. Enter hello in print block. Adjust the print hello in repeat 10 times as shown. Run the code and see the output. The hello will be displayed 10 times within a dialog box.